Welcome guys to another tutorial from Classic Games United, right? And yesterday I went and I bought a new phone, the Samsung A15. And some people will say it's not a gaming phone, but I've tested out a few games like Call of Duty Mobile. As you can see, Call of Duty Mobile. And also I tested out the PSP emulator and it runs the games very good. So today there's a tutorial on how to set up PSP on your phone if you want to play PSP games. It's pretty simple. Also it's a showcase too, so it's a pretty good phone, guys. And as you can see, I like the color blue hat, blue merchandise, and blue phone. So the phone came with this, and it came with a USB, it came with a data cable, see. So, and also it came with just now, guys. Yes, guys, it came with this. It came with, you see the phone box here. As you can see, this is the phone box here, and this is the data cable adapter it came with, right? But it did not came with the charger head. I got this adapter free to charge the phone. Alright, so it's a pretty good phone, guys. So today is just a phone review. Today is a phone review showing you the features on the phone. It's a very good phone, guys. It's very loud. Let me play something here. It's very loud. Let me play something. Just now, guys, let me play something. Yeah, guys, it's very loud. Very good phone. So today, guys, we're just gonna showcase the phone and show you how to set up the PSP emulator and stuff. So stay tuned, guys, and let's get into this tutorial. So this is the new content I want to start to do, phone gaming and stuff. So the Samsung A15 is a pretty good phone. It came with 128 gigabytes, and it came with 6 gig RAM. So let me just go into the settings, guys, and show you all. Phone settings. Alright, storage, and I don't know if you all can see. I don't know if you can see clear here, but if you all can't see clear, I will show you all of this. I'll record this on the phone and I will show you, alright. So 128 gigabyte and 6 gig RAM, and it plays games very well. You know, it's a $200 phone. I pay $1,000 for it in my country, and I'm very happy with it so far. It's working well. So let's get into the phone review, guys. I'll show you the set of the PSP emulator on your phone and this stuff. So I'm gonna record on the phone and I'll be back, right? So let's get into the video, guys. So if you want to set up your phone to play games, right, and you want to set up your games like this is the Spider-Man 3, then I will show you the setup, right? So let's get into the game. So I'm just gonna show you a little preview how this is working, and then we'll set up the things, right? So let's just set up everything. You could skip here if you want, and let's get into the game. So I'm just gonna show you.
Gotta see if anyone's trapped in here. Then I can find out who's responsible for this mess. You won't get past us, Spider-Man! In real life, it's called assault and...
Alright guys, so if you want to set up a game like this, then follow me and let's get on the tutorial, right? Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to install the emulator on your phone, right? The gold version, right? For me, I would prefer the gold. The gold and the normal version is not much difference, but I prefer the gold, right? So what you will do is type in PSP gold pack, and then you will see this link. Alright, go to it and download the latest version, which is this one, right? Download the latest version, which is this one. Download. Alright, so once you download, you have it here. Click on it, click install. Just let it install, guys. And sometimes if you install it for the first time, you will be prompted to turn on unknown apps on your phone to install it, right? So if it asks you for unknown apps, just install unknown app. Let's turn on unknown apps, right? Click open, and this is the here, and you will say choose or create a PSP folder or skip for now. Create a folder, press OK, create new, and name it PSP. Click OK, and just click use this folder and allow, and that's it. Press OK here, and then you're in, right? And then you want to set up some settings here. So let me see. Free skipping, put it to 1% of FPS. Set this up, guys, very important. Right, leave all them thing on, leave this on. Alright, so this is what you want to do, right? Set these settings, very important, right? Go to 3 times. Render resolution, go to 3 times 2. Backend Vulkan, leave it as this, and you're all set, right? You're all set. So to skip frame, make sure this is on, and this is it, right? So now we need to install some games, right? So this is the folder here with everything will be, but see we don't have no games here, so I'll show you how to add games, right? So the game that we download on the PC now, we're gonna transfer that ISO file onto the phone. You'll need a USB cord, right? You'll need a USB cord, and then just gonna plug the USB cord into your computer, and then plug it to the phone, and you're gonna click on transfer files and everything, right? So I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna plug my USB, right, into the computer. Then I'm gonna plug it into the phone. Click on allow. Alright, and that's how it will be, right? And then I'm gonna go on my computer now. I'm gonna record on my computer. Alright, and then you're gonna see A15 show up here, right? As you can see. Alright, so we got to go to where the game is, open up our next folder, which is here. Go to downloads, and then you have the file here. Open up the phone, go to PSP, go to games, and the games will go here, right? Go back to the folder of downloads, and let's drag the ISA file into the games folder. It's pretty simple, guys. Right, drag it, So you gotta make sure that the game is ISO file is extracting the game folder. Give it a little while to extract. Right guys, game is extracted. So I will stop recording on the computer. And then this here. And we could plug out the cable now. Unplug the USB cable. That's that. And you could just click on. So you just go back into the game. Right, go to browse. So take it to here, click on the game, click here, click use this folder, allow, and there's the game guys. Alright, that's the game there. That's the game there. Click on the game, and that's that. And you could play. And if you have a Bluetooth speaker, you can connect your Bluetooth. No, if you have a Bluetooth control, if you have a game control with Bluetooth, you can connect your Bluetooth and use it and play the game. But I will be using the on-screen key control. I'll be using the on-screen control guys. So you see it's pretty easy. Pretty easy.
Gotta see if anyone's trapped in here. Then I can find out who's responsible for this mess. You won't get past us, Spider-Man!
In real life, it's called assault and battery. But in here, it's called melee combat, and it's just good, clean fun. So go ahead and beat up those bad guys. Drop them like a bad habit. Soften them up with some quick attacks, then nail them with a strong hit.
So as you can see guys, the game is working very good. The Samsung A15 is a very powerful phone. You could play Call of Duty Mobile in the highest settings and everything, right? So I'm gonna go to Call of Duty Mobile now. Right, if you want to download that, go to the Play Store, type in, right, it's pretty easy guys. Just install it. It will install some resources and then you could play the game, right? So I have it here. Let's go to here. I'm just gonna show you how this is playing. Alright, and if you want to know which recorder I'm using, then I will put the link in the description. I'm using X recorder. So I'm just gonna show you guys how Call of Duty is working. And then that will be the end of the tutorial, right guys? So today was showcasing my phone, my new phone, because I'm gonna be doing some gaming videos and stuff on the phone. So that is the new content that I want to start to bring. So let's start up and we're in the game. We'll start a match now. So I'm gonna show you guys how this is working. Call of Duty Mobile. Graphics is good. This phone is very good for gaming. My name is Metroplex in the game. Alright, select this. Go into the volume guys. but as you can see, it's working, and the graphics is pretty good. So I don't know to the volume, guys. I'll try and fix the volume, but it's working pretty good. The graphics is pretty good. Damn. Alright, guys, so I think this is it for the tutorial, guys. I just want to show you all. So look out for some Call of Duty mobile gaming soon on the channel and other stuff. So that will be it for the tutorial today, guys. So hope that you all enjoy, and I will see you in our next video to come. Take care, guys, and bye. So phone gaming coming soon, and this will be the new content from now on. So take care and bye. Alright, guys, as promised, I was to show you all the storage, 120 gigs as you see, and 6 gig RAM, right? So it's a pretty good phone for gaming, guys. You understand? It's a pretty good phone for gaming. So yeah, guys, so that's it for the tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video to come. Take care and bye.